Hey, I'm gonna show you how to toss and wash. I'm gonna make it very simple, okay? Here's my stuff. Use a measuring spoon, okay? My brother and some other people don't measure it and then they start feeling nauseous later. You need to measure it. This is probably too much unless you've been using it for a while. This is 1 teaspoon, that's my dose. Measure it. You're gonna put a scoop on your tongue. I know this seems weird, but trust me, I've been doing this for a long time. You put it on your tongue. You swish it, it goes down. Now, some people may gag at first, but just remember, what would you rather do? Do that, or do you want to put it in a cup, stir it, and drink 10,000 pounds of liquid? Blech, you don't want to do that. Do not breathe when this is on your tongue. Do not do that. Just don't breathe, you know, just put it on there, drink it. You're gonna have to swish a couple of times, and that's fine. Make sure you don't get on your teeth. It's always gonna get on your teeth, but you can get it off. Another thing, this is not vodka, this is water. Now, I've heard a lot of people use juice and stuff. Do not drink juice. There's no juice that's healthy. Apple juice isn't healthy. Pineapple, grapefruit, none of that shit's healthy. Your body processes that different. I just found this out because when you eat a normal piece of fruit, your body processes it a certain way, you get the good stuff from it. When you drink this, if this was fruit juice, you're drinking sugar. It's not healthy, do not do it. If you were to take I call it Kratom, 10 times a day drinking juice, you're gonna probably drink 1,000 calories. So I would recommend drinking water. I'm gonna get off my soapbox. Whatever that means. That's something my dad said.